silang, siguro baka may grupo tayo pwedeng mahikayat at maimbita maging kadaupang palad at kasama ninyo sa zone ng Carsigma. Extending our presence to different towns and municipalities have one purpose, and that is to ensure that we have more hands and more volunteers that join our cause to serve those in need. The Cavite Film Educators 101 Lions Club, 2 years ago, in Lion Year 2022-2023, chartered what is the current and only Lions Club that we have in the province of Masbate, in the form of the Narrow Island Lions Club. And by virtue of my authority, and I would like to publicly declare, I think and I am aware that the Narrow Island Lions Club has not yet done its own charter presentation nor induction. I would like to assert and reaffirm my commitment and support to your club, the Cavite Film Educators 101 Lions Club, at kasama ko ang ating Vice Governor Paul and Vice Governor Mel at ang ating mga district officers. Kung maimumungkahi po natin past zone chairperson Beth, mayaya natin si Charter President Aida, kahit magkita na lang po tayo halfway at makapag-induction sa Masbate City, darating po tayo at magsasaya doon. Sa tingin ko po, napapanahon na iyan. Nang masimulan natin at makita naman sa kanayunan doon, na may Lions International na naroon sa kanilang probinsya na handa ang distrito suportahan at samahan sila. We want to ensure that all Lions clubs, regardless of distance, malayo man o malapit, ay makita, makapiling at makasama nila ang kanilang distrito. Speaking of Lions from farther areas, I have a few announcements to make. First, I would like to invite everyone in this hall to our forthcoming District Christmas Party. It will be held 2 weeks from now on the 15th of December at the St. Francis of Assisi College in Bacoor City. More or less a central location. Nagreklamo yung mga nasa likod ko, malapit lang daw yun. Humanda sila sa susunod na announcement ko. Dahil advance ko na rin po aayain ang ating mga cabinet officers at mga interested fellow Lions. At dahil bilang pagkilala rin sa ating mga fellow Lions na naroon at nagtsatsagang nagpupunta tuwing tayo'y nagtatawag at laging nariyan, I have decided that our third cabinet meeting, so yung second cabinet meeting will be held on December 16. Our third cabinet meeting will be held on February 9, 2025 in beautiful Puerto Princesa in Palawan. Palagi ko pong tinatanaw sa ating mga fellow Lions ng Palawan na kayo ay dumarating sa ating mga pagpupulong sa ating distrito a minimum of 6 or 7 times a year. At darating ho sila hindi lang isa, dalawa, tatlo, bagkus isang lamesa, 10, 11 o 12. Bilang pagkilala doon at nang maramdaman din nila na ang distrito ay nariyan para sa kanila, tayo ay darating doon at makakasama natin sila not just for the cabinet meeting, but for a service mission that we will coordinate and organize with our region chairperson, Rosita Tumamao in Palawan. Details to follow, but please save the date or you may now book your flights, February 9, 2025. We are indeed in a very big family. Our District 301A2 is the largest in terms of membership, the largest in terms of leadership training, the largest in terms of chartering new clubs, in reporting service, and supporting the Lions Clubs International Foundation. Nagiging mahalaga ang paglingkod ng bawat Lions Club Unang-una, sa pagdaos ng inyong mga proyekto. Pangalawa, sa pagtala ng inyong serbisyo. Sana ang Cavite Philam Educators 101 Lions Club sa pangunguna ng inyong club secretary ay naire-report ang ating service sa ating bagong Lion Portal. Because we want to be proud of the service that you render. Ihayag nyo at ipakita dito, doon, malayo o malapit, naroon ang ginaganap ninyong serbisyo. I would like to thank our Global Service Team Coordinator, Juliet Nasita. From July 31, where our reporting for all clubs, Lions and Leos in our district was a measly 43%. As of October 31, ngayon po ay nasa 75% na. We look forward to increasing these numbers, kung kaya't pati rin ang ating mga Leo sa Cavite Philam Leo Club at My Messiah School of Cavite Leo Club ay maasahan ko sana na magtala rin at mag-report sa Lion Portal ng inyong sariling mga project. Because projects reported under your Leo Club are projects of the sponsoring Lions Club. Because Leo Clubs are a program of Lions Clubs. Pangalawa ho, I want to highlight and underscore the fact that for the many years that I've known the members of the Cavite Philam Educators 101 Lions Club, it is that we are able to acknowledge that every year, sa kabila ng pagbabago ng bawat pangulo ng kanya-kanyang mga termino, ay nariyan at hindi nawawala ang inyong serbisyo. Service and service alone should be the paramount consideration for why we are Lions. Where else can we find a platform of the world's largest service club organization, where women and men of different backgrounds, beliefs, cultures, and religions unite under a single banner, the banner of Lionism. And that is because of service. Our strength as an association, and even our district, lies not in our conformity or uniformity. On the contrary, it is because of our diversity. It is what makes us strong. The different perspectives that we have, the different backgrounds we come from, all contribute to why District 301A2 is as strong as it is today. At ang Cavite Philam Educators 101 Lions Club, bilang isang specialty club na nagsimula, isang educators club, ay halimbawa po doon. Specialty clubs, alongside women and millennials, form the biggest growing membership sector of District 301A2. If one will look at the history of all 102 Lions clubs in our district, you will notice that almost 80% are less than 20 years old. We are a district of young Lions clubs, but that also means the responsibility that is equally heavy. When we invite new members, what do people think? We are happy. We are glad that we have new blood. New blood is not necessarily young blood. New blood are new voices, new people that join us. But let me ask you this. Kung pagpapalagay po natin na ang ating Lions Club ay isa hong tahanan, at ang tahanan iyon ay nakabukas ang front door o pintuan sa harap para i-welcome ang ating mga new members, doon na po ba nagtatapos ang ating tungkulin? Hindi ho. At kung akin lang hong pwedeng ibahagi ngayon, ang isang nakagugulat na kwento na pinaalam ng ating International President Fabricio Oliveira sa ating nagtapos na 61st OSIL Forum sa Pattaya, Thailand. Ito pong sinabi niya. Last Lion Year 2023-2024, Lions International Worldwide added 230,000 members into our roster. 230,000. But on June 30, 2024, sa pagtatapos at wakas ng taon na iyon, Lions International recorded a drop of 220,000. For what is the effort of recruiting, talking, engaging, inviting new Lions if we do not keep our existing Lions motivated and excited to stay with our organization? Kung bumabalik po ako sa aking halimbawa na ang ating Lions Club ay isang tahanan, may leak po tayo, nakabukas ang backdoor. Maaaring 10 ang i-add natin at i-welcome sa ating front door, 11 naman ang lalabas sa likod. To all club presidents in this hall right now, my question to you is, are your club meetings enjoyable? Are they exciting? Do they engage your members for them to continue attending, for them to continue their membership in your club? I think yan ay dapat nating palaisipan. Sa mga zone chairperson, mga region chairperson na nandito, desirable po ba maging Lion sa inyong lugar? Dahil sa aking paningin, and in my humble observation, if it is desirable to be a Lion, and if the general public perceives that Lions are prestigious, are the world's largest service club organization, at siguro kung maiisip ng publiko na parang gusto ko rin maging Leon, that means it is nice, it is great, at napakaganda siguro maging kabilang ng isang miyembro dyan sa Lions International. While we work on inviting new members and chartering new clubs, we want to make sure that the members that are existing, that are current and here and present, enjoy themselves. Kung maitanong ko siguro sa mga Lions ng Cavite Philam Educators 101 Lions Club, magtatagal ho ba tayo ng 6 years ng Lions kung hindi ba natin ito ini-enjoy?
Yes.
Ang Lions po, kapag nasa puso iyan, paniniwala ko po, tunay, iyan ay panghabang buhay. And as long as we can share this joy of being a Lion to other people, to people who have not yet been tapped or invited to join our fold, paniniwala ko ho, kaya nating pagtagumpayan ang tinatawag na Mission 1.5. Mission 1.5 is the global initiative to reach 1.5 million members globally by June 30, 2027, the conclusion of the term of governor of our current second Vice Governor Mel. Which is why this is a team effort. Pag sinabi pong Global Action Team, hindi lamang po kami iyan sa distrito. The Global Action Team, which should work on membership and new clubs, is at the club level. The Global Action Team chairman in every Lions Club is the club president. You will have your chairpersons for membership, for leadership, for service, and for LCIF. It is a team effort of every Lions Club to ensure that not only do we have new members coming in, but members who stay and who enjoy. Kanina po, tinanong ng ating Global Membership Team Coordinator, PDG Toby, naalala po niya yung isa nating past international director, si Enrique Lim. Si Lion Enrique Lim po ay charter member ng Las Piñas Host Lions Club. Tanungin niyo po, ilang taon na ang Las Piñas Host Lions Club? 66 years na po sila. He's still alive. And today, he's celebrating his 101st birthday.
Wow!
Akalain niyo yun, may nagtagal sa Lions ng 66 years nang hindi yamot. And nariyan pa. actively attending, not giving up on the oath of membership he took more than 6 decades ago. I would like to call on our new members inducted today to please rise. Yung mga new members po natin. To our new members inducted today, I want you to know that everyone here in this hall were once in your shoes. We all once took our oaths of membership, not really understanding how great an association Lions International is, nor really comprehending the depth of the world's largest service club organization. But one thing is for sure, by choosing to affiliate yourselves with the Cavite Film Educators 101 Lions Club and joining Lions International, you have certainly made the best decision of your lives. Congratulations to our new members. Thank you. You may take your seats. Nais ko rin pong tawagin at kilalanin at sana tumayo ang ating mga past president. Past president and immediate past president ng Cavite Film Educators 101 Lions Club. To all past presidents of this club, I want to congratulate you for your successful terms of office. Your club would not reach this moment were it not for your efforts to ensure that under your leadership at minsan sa taon na kayo'y naglingkod bilang Pangulo, pinakita nyo na hindi lamang kayo leader, kundi isa ring halimbawa. Halimbawa para sa inyong mga kasamahan na sumunod sa inyong mga yapak. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ang Cavite Film Educators 101 Lions Club. Congratulations, past presidents. Thank you. At huli, nais kong tawagin ang ating Pangulo, the man of the hour, President Ricky Lesterio. Please rise. President Ricky, today you have accepted the mantle of leadership. You are now at the helm of your club. But you will not lead your club from above them. You will lead alongside your members, beside them, in the service that you do. You will show that you are a worthy example of your fellow Lions for you to be elected to club president this year. My advice to you is this: do what is right, do your best, and God will take care of the rest. Congratulations, President Ricky Lesterio. Sa ating mga fellow Lions, binabati ko po kayo at ang akin rin paghanga sa ating mga cabinet officers at fellow Lions na sinasamahan po ang inyong lingkod. Katunayan ho, today is the 3rd straight day of activities, and for this week alone, you are the 6th or 7th Lions Club to hold an induction, at sa makalawa tayo tutulak sa lipa para sa isa pang induction. Lagi ko pong pinagmamalaki ang maging opisyal, cabinet officer o Lion officer sa District 301A2 ay isang karangalan. Dito lamang po sa ating distrito nyo makikita na lahat tayo ay kuratsa, walang pahinga. Tuloy-tuloy, linggo-linggo ang ating mga affairs. At sa gitna ng mga iyan, ang kanya-kanyang mga service activities na meron tayo. Kabilang pa riyan ang mga district affairs natin. Quite literally, out of the 102 Lions Clubs in our district, parang aabot na yata sa 80 CABSEC ang mga nagpa-schedule ng kanilang induction. Imagine that. And our area is no joke. You go to Palawan, you go to Bicol, you go here in Metro Manila. Dito lamang ho, sa aking paningin, sa District 301A2, makikita ang pinaka-dedicated at devoted na mga Lion at Leo leaders natin. Bigyan po natin yan ng masigabong. Kung may isang mungkahi po ang inyong district governor sa taon na ito, ay iisa lang po ang aking hangarin. Na masabi ninyo sa June 30, 2025, mararamdaman at pwede rin sabihin sa ibang tao na tunay kong ikinararangal at ipinagmamalaki na ako ay bahagi ng Lions International. When Lions are motivated, excited to be Lions, they become Lion for another year. And then the year after that. At taon-taon po natin sila nakakasama at nagiging kadaupang palad sa mga serbisyo. In closing, I'd like to share with you my favorite quote from the book of speeches of our founder Melvin Jones, and it's called I Am Lionism, and it goes something like this. I am Lionism, though known by the name which I now bear, but of I have lived in the hearts of men since the dawn of history, and will continue to live so long as men love justice and the service of their fellow men. I live only for others. I found life by losing it in service. I will lose it only when I live to myself alone. This is my creed. This is the reason for my existence. I live that I may serve. I am Lionism. Muli, to the officers and members of the Cavite Philam Educators 101 Lions Club, ang ating pagbati sa inyong taunang pagtatalaga at induction ngayong taon. May the good Lord continue to bless us with blessings that we may share them to those in need. And just always remember that your friend, Leo Lion Sol Flores Jr. will always be at your beck and call. Anytime, any place, anywhere, just call my name and I'll be there. Maraming salamat.